Faba, welcome to Dana's channel. Guys, I trust you're all doing okay. The diaspora, they're asking to see ocean front and ocean view land. So I'm in the city, the Cape Coast, a town called Moree, and I have 2 plots of land, 80 by 100. And here they are, ocean view. As you can see, there's a mango tree yonder. And so the plot starts from there, going straight across. But I'm doing it from this angle because I really want you to see that it's indeed ocean view. Now, the plots of land, they're family owned, and so the paperwork, we're not really going to have much of a hassle, right? Because you have been hearing quite a bit of how it is in obtaining land here in Ghana. But safe to say, I've met the owner, and I'm just here showing you the view, ocean view. Again, it's 2 plots. I am going to now take you along to where the access, the entrance is to this. So I'm starting my vlog. I've started the vlog this way, so you can immediately see the ocean. So I have the guide here with me. Please direct us back out. And so guys, what you'll also notice, let's get moving. You have construction taking place, right? Activity. The road is not too bad, I must say, coming in. And it's also not far from the oceanfront property. You have a plot in front for those who don't know what 80 by 100 would look like myself. This kind of gives you a visual view of what 1 plot would look like. So the 2 plots that we have available, again, let me show you across here. It starts from that corner where you have the fence wall going straight over yonder. It's a nice size, I must say that. So this is a pathway. So let's just move on. Right? And as you can see, there's construction taking place there. So this is where you'll drive through. So we're heading right back out to the entrance to the plots. See guys, construction to the left. So there's activity going on this side. Green, lush. Come on, let's move. So coming in from Accra, it took a couple of hours to get in. Or 3 hours actually. So here we actually heading right back out to the main road that gets you in. I understand over that end you have the Azul beach front Airbnb. So as you can see, guys, the entrance to the two plots, not exactly a ghost town. Development both to your left and to your right. Another view. If you are interested in obtaining the two plots, ocean view, please reach out to Diness at jatoghana@gmailcom for further details. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Merase. God bless.